My name is Ellery, and today we will be making stuffed green pepper with cheese and black rice. First, you want to go ahead and get a scoop of black bean rice, and you want to put it inside the bell pepper, about 2 or 3 scoops.
That one is a little small, so let's put 3 scoops. And then you can scooch it in a little bit. You could put maybe a half a scoop. That's great. All right, good job. All right, folks, my son is cooking today, and I'm teaching him how to make stuffed green bell peppers with black bean rice and some Mexican cheese on top. And we put it in the oven to air fry so everything is melted. And then we're gonna serve it with some flank steak and corn on the cob. We got the flank steak in here looking good. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be great. Some corn on the cob. Anybody likes corn on the cob? We love corn on the cob. Some nice, beautiful corn on the cob. All right, it's looking good, looking good. How many scoops are you gonna put on this one?
3.
3 on each one?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, squish it down there. You can use the spatula if you want. Good. Alright, stuff it with the cheese. How many minutes are we going to put it in the oven? How many minutes in the oven? We're going to put it in for like 5 minutes until the cheese is melted. Okay, that's good with the cheese. Good job. All right, let's put it in the oven. There it is, stuffed bell peppers going in the oven. Go. All right, I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes.
All right, folks, the time is up. The oven started beeping, so we will begin to see what our peppers look like. And this here, look at this.
All right, folks, here it is, stuffed green bell peppers. And let me show you the full meal. All right, folks, here's the plate, stuffed green bell pepper with black bean rice, corn on the cob, some root vegetables, and some slow cooked flank steak.
Thank you all for watching our video today on how to make a full meal, especially with these green bell peppers that are stuffed with rice and cheese. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time.
All right, folks, bye-bye. Ellery and Son's Kitchen out.